Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Cyan AI Wayfarer Glasses. So these are the glasses that will provide you with a lot of features like ChatGPT powered AI assistant where you can create notes and ask questions, and it also has a built-in 4K HD camera, and you can even connect those glasses with the Cyan AI application that is available on the App Store and also the Play Store, and it also has a discrete open ear audio. So let's dive deeper and find out if these fancy promises are actually true. So they claim on their official website like they have 50,000 plus happy users, and the rating on their store goes like 4.9 plus based on 1,735 reviews. But we never know if these are the authentic reviews or are the actual stats. So I tried to look for this product on Amazon and Flipkart, and I was unable to look for it or even any other product from this Vela named company, so which is a major red flag because this company isn't available, or this product is not available in any official store, and those official store actually do a lot of authentication checks. So this is a major red flag. And there are a few of the features that they claim that it provides you with the 9 minutes non-stop recording, and it has a 6 to 8 hours battery life, and you can even get help from the ChatGPT powered AI assistant. So when I tried to dive deeper in research on it, as you can see, there are a few of the testimonials available. When I looked for these pictures and videos are actually plagiarized, and this one is actually from the YouTube stores that I've tried searching out it on the Google Lens. So these all are the plagiarized images and even the videos. So this is a major red flag, and you can see like there are a lot of testimonials on the bottom of their website, but we cannot trust these because this is not on Amazon or any other authentic major store like Flipkart. So in conclusion, I would say like you should not buy these product directly because it is also a very much costly product. So you should consult with any of your friend and talk to someone who have already bought this product or might have tried on. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.